Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Welcome to social class. Welcome to social science class of standard 6. Today we are going to study about chapter number 9, our earth or the earth, our habitat. Okay, so today we are going to see only the first part of this chapter, and the rest of the part I will send you in the next class. So in this part we will be studying only the half of the chapter, and half of the chapter will be sent to you in the second class, and also question answers will be sent to you in the next class. Okay, whenever we leave that place in our village and home, all this on the top of what, such a question arise in our minds, means we are living in our home, in our city, village, place, area. Okay, on what that thing our on what that our area, our city, our home is placed, so that is placed on our on a huge home, that is our earth is our mother planet. Okay, why we call it as mother planet? Because our home is there, our mother is there on this planet, so earth is known as our mother planet. We took birth on this planet. Okay, so it is known as our mother planet. In the soul, and the earth is surrounded by the solar system. Earth is connected with the solar system. Our sun is a self-illuminated star of a Mandakini galaxy, means Milky Galaxy. It is surrounded by many small and big stars. Earth is one such ball. Okay, so our sun is self-illuminated, means sun is a star which has its own light, and it is a part of Milky Way, and it is surrounded by many other stars. And also there are many planets. Due to gravitational force, all the sun keeps all the planets and star connected to its own, and these planets do not have their own light. Sun have its own light, illuminated means its own light, but the planets which doesn't have their own light, we get light from the sun. Okay, so we are getting light from the sun, and we are taking light from the sun. And so this planets, satellites, comets, meteors, are everything are included in our solar system. Sun, we are familiar with the sun. Our daily work begins with the sunrise. So sun is the honored star. It is considered as the life of the as the giver life on the earth. The sun is about 13 million times larger than the earth. If you want to take a revolution around the sun, you sit in a plane running at a velocity of 1000 kilometers. It will give you 107 years to complete the revolution. So you can imagine that how much big it is, means 107 years for one revolution. And gravitational force of the sun is 28 times more than that of the earth. So hence the weight of the earth is 1 kg. Any weight of the surface of on the earth, it is of 1 kg. It will be 28 kg on the sun, means it is 28 times more than the earth. If anything is on the earth, if your weight on the earth is of 1 kg, then if you go on the sun, your weight will be 28 kgs. The surface of the sun is always unstable. It includes several kilometers long igniting fire flares. The sun core is made up of hydrogen gas. It produces light and heat from the action of hydrogen and helium in air, which we call energy. So the surface of sun is very hot. It is because sun's energy that organisms have developed on the earth. Thus the sun is known as guardian of organism. Now we are going to study briefly about all the planets of the solar system. So as you know that there are total 8 planets on the solar system, and the shortcut to remember the name of all 8 planets is my very excellent mother just serve us noodle. My means we have to keep the first letter of this sentence. M means Mercury, very Venus, excellent Earth, Mother Mars, just Jupiter, served Saturn, Earth, Uranus, noodles Neptune. Okay, so this is the shortcut using which you can remember the name of all 8 planets. First, we are going to see about the Mercury. Mercury, this planet is closest to the sun. It is yellowish in color. Mercury doesn't have atmosphere or satellite. From the Earth, we see Mercury in the sky for some time before sunrise and after sunset. Venus is the most dazzling planet in the solar. Dazzling means most beautiful planet on the solar family. In size and weight, it is like Earth and is a twin brother of the Earth. It means it is somewhat similar in the appearance from the Earth. It resembles the moon in shine. Means like shining surface. It has like moon. It does not have a satellite due to thick cover of gases and clouds around it. Is less knowledge there about it. Earth is located between Venus and Mars. Earth completes one rotation around the sun on its axis about 24 hours, while the Earth completes one revolution around the sun in 365 days. Okay, so Earth takes only 24 hours, means one day to complete, 1 day and 1 night, total 24 hours to complete one revolution, while to complete one revolution to complete one rotation it takes 24 hours, while for complete one revolution around the sun it takes 365 days, means complete 1 year. Events such as day and night and the changes of season can only be seen here. Means on the earth only the change in the day and night and the changes in the season can be seen. Moon is the satellite of the earth. It takes 27.3 days to complete its rotation on its axis around the sun, and it is non-luminous, means it does not have light. It depends on the sun for its light. Mars is a red color illuminated planet, and its atmosphere on the Mars is lighter. Among as per the seasons, more cold and heat is there on Mars. It has two satellites. Scientists have developed organism on Mars. Jupiter. Jupiter is a light yellowish white planet. Jupiter has gaseous atmosphere around it. This planet is believed to be very cold. It is the largest planet of solar system. It has 29 satellites. In this, also scientists have different opinions. This huge planet can be seen with the help of binoculars. While watching through binoculars, droplet can be seen on the surface of the is which looks beautiful. So it is also a very nice to see. In the solar family, Saturn, in the solar family, it is located between Jupiter and Uranus, and it is the second largest planet after Jupiter. It looks beautiful with the bright rings of blue color. It looks different because of rings. These rings looks like a turban worn on the head. Saturn is also called the turban planet, and Saturn has more than 62 satellites. The surface temperature of Saturn is quite low because its distance from the sun. Uranus, it is so far away from the earth that it could not be seen with the help of ordinary binoculars. The light of sun is also like light moonlight. An astronomer named William Herschel discovered this planet in 1781. This planet is very old. The last planet is Neptune. This planet is green in color and its atmosphere contains a toxic gas called methane. Seasonal variation is observed on this planet like Earth. Meteors are the falling stars at night. Actually, stars do not fall. Some pieces of stone or rocks moving in the sky or small parts are called meteors. These meteors are quickly drawn towards the earth because of its gravitational force. As soon as its enter in the atmosphere of the earth due to ignition, the bright light is seen in the sky, which because of this we tell it as falling star. Okay, and constellation means a group of stars which are placed together, which is known as constellation. There are total 27 constellations. We have given different names like Ashwini, Revati, Vishakha, Orion, Rohini, etc. Swati. So many, 2 to 3 constellations surround the moon, for which we have to look at sky continuously. Means we can look that constellation, but it is around moon, and to look at it we have to look at the sky very much carefully. Okay, So now about deep details about the earth we are going to see in the next part of this chapter. Up to now we have studied about the eight planets which are located in the satellite and meteors and constellation. Up to next period you have to study all the details about these eight planets. Fill in the blanks from this can be asked in the exam. Okay. I hope you have enjoyed this chapter. Try to read this chapter. We will meet in the next part with the remaining part of the chapter and also with the question answer. Thank you.